A battle is playing out in Amarillo, Texas, over nationwide access to a widely used abortion pill. As a group of protesters stood outside, a U.S. district judge on Wednesday questioned lawyers for the Biden administration on whether regulatory approval given 22 years ago to the drug mifepristone was proper. Anti-abortion groups are challenging the FDA's approval. They want a preliminary order halting sales of the drug nationwide, even in states where abortion is illegal, while their lawsuit proceeds.
The implications of this case are really, really huge.
Reuters U.S. National Affairs correspondent Gabriella Border covered the hearing.
The anti-abortion groups are saying that the FDA inappropriately approved this drug, mifepristone, back in 2000 through an accelerated approval process, which they are saying it did not warrant. And they also are making an argument that it was not sufficiently tested in pediatric population, so women under the age of 18, girls. One of the main arguments that the defendants made, the lawyers representing the FDA, was that revoking approval of this drug would cause significant public harm. It's very, very widely used all over the country and all over the world. And revoking approval for it would overburden the surgical abortion clinics in this country. One of the lawyers for the Justice Department also made the argument that revoking this long-held approval might undercut faith in the FDA's expertise and their judgment.
Border says the judge did not appear to be siding with one side over the other and seemed to be mulling a more limited ruling. A ruling against the FDA would hinder abortion access in every state, soon as medication abortion accounts for more than half of all terminations in the U.S.
This drug is used everywhere. After Roe was overturned, medication abortion and the ability to receive these pills via mail has been a crutch for a lot of people who are not able to have access to abortion in clinics since they live so far from them. So this would really go even further than the Supreme Court's Roe v. Wade overturn in the spring by further cutting access to a key abortion access avenue in this country at this point.
The judge said he would rule as soon as possible.